PC20 Aluminium Slim Sliding Doors blend sleek architecture with robust execution. You need doors you can rely on. Achieve a seamless and elegant look with PC20's slim interlock profiles. Enjoy subtle stylization with a hidden track in the floor and an eco drain. Meet the demands of any project with maximum durability. Have peace of mind that your choice is built to last. Improve your home's energy performance and stay secure with a high security lock. Your personal style is important. Stylize your PC20 doors with a 90-degree open corner without a mullion, or even as a pocket door. Match your decor to over 200 finishes and stains, including dual color options. Enjoy easy installation, expert advice, detailed quotations, and a comprehensive site survey. Choose perfect crystal windows and transform your home today.